Hello everyone. In this class we will learn the most important method to solve a linear equation in two variable, which is nothing but elimination method. Okay. So elimination method, in the word it is elimination is there, that means we have to eliminate one of the variable to find out the other variable. So let's solve the question from the basics to advanced. Start with the basic question. So suppose two equations are given like this: x plus y is equal to 10, and the second equation is x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, so in this case you have to first step is you have to see the coefficient of x. So look at the coefficient of x here, which is 1, here also which is 1. Coefficient of y here also 1, here also 1. Okay, and with the negative sign. So here no need to do anything, directly we can solve this two equations, because here plus y and minus y are getting cancelled directly, so we'll just simply add the equation. So x plus x, which is 2x, plus y and minus y will get cancelled, is equal to 10 plus 4, which is nothing but 14. So 2x is equal to 14, that means x is nothing but 14 upon 2. So 14 upon 2, which is nothing but 7, so the value of x is 7. Now we'll substitute the value of 7, x is equal to 7, in one of them equation. So let's say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So if we substitute the value of x in the first equation, so x is 7, so 7 plus y is equal to 10. So y is nothing but is equal to 10 minus 7. So we'll get y is equal to 3. So the solution of this two equation is nothing but x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. You can check this answer by just substituting here. So x, if you put 7, so 7 plus y is 3, so 7 plus 3, which is nothing but equal to 10. Similarly, you can substitute here, so 7 minus 3, which is nothing but 4. Okay, so our answer is x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. Look at the next question. So here we have two equation, 3x plus 4y is equal to 18, and the second equation we have minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, so we have to eliminate one of the variable. Two variable we have x and y, but you can see that here the coefficient of x is 3 and here the coefficient of x is minus 3. So that number is same here, coefficient is same, so no need to multiply anything. We will do just directly, this is, let's say, equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. So here it is plus, here it is minus, so here in this question this plus 3x minus 3 is getting cancelled directly, so no need to do anything, just simply addition we have to do. So plus 3x minus 3x 0, then 4y plus 2y, which is nothing but 6y, is equal to 18 plus 6, which is nothing but 24. So we'll get y is equal to 24 by 6, which is nothing but y is equal to 4. So y value is nothing but 4. So if we substitute the value of y in one of them equation, we will get the value of x. So let's put y is equal to 4 in one of the first equation. So 3x plus 4, instead of y we have to put 4, is equal to 18. So 3x plus 4 into 4, which is 16, is equal to 18. So if we take this 16 that side, we will get 3x is equal to 18 minus 16, which is equal to 2. So the value of x is nothing but 2 by 3. Okay, so the value of x is 2 by 3 and the value of y is equal to 4. So this is our correct answer. Look at the next question. So here we have two equation with a different coefficient. So 2x plus y is equal to 7, and the second equation we have 4x minus 3y is equal to 9. So let's call it, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay, so if you see here, the coefficient of x is 2 and 4, which is different. Similarly, coefficient of y is also different. Here it is 1, here it is minus 3. So this equation we cannot solve directly. We have to make the coefficient equal first. Okay, so if you see, look at properly, here it is only 1. Okay, coefficient of y is 1 and minus 3. Here it is 2 and 4. So which coefficient are smaller? We can multiply any coefficient. Okay, we can make either coefficient of x to be equal, or we can make coefficient y to be equal. Okay, so let's, if I multiply by first equation by 3 and the second equation by just 1. Okay, because the coefficient of y is here 1 and 3, so I just simply multiply by 3 and 1. You can multiply by 4 and 2 also. The coefficient of x is 2 and 4, so you can multiply by 4 and 2. You will get the same answer. So we multiply by 3 and 1, so 3 into 2 6x plus 3 into 1 3y is equal to 7 into 3, which is 21. And second equation, if you multiply by 1, we will get the same thing, 4x minus 3y is equal to 9. Now you can see that here plus 3y and minus 3y, so it will get directly cancelled. So we have to just add the equation. So 6x plus 4x, which is 10x, then plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled, is equal to 21 plus 9, which is nothing but 30. So 10x is equal to 30, so x is equal to 30 upon 10, that is nothing but 3. So the value of x is 3. If we put the value of x in one of them equation, so let's put in the first equation. So first equation is what? 2x plus y is equal to 7. So if we put x is equal to 3, so 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 3, which is 6. So 7 minus 6, which is nothing but 1. So correct answer for this question is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Look at the next question. Again, two equations are given, 3x, let's say, plus 2y is equal to 16, and the second equation 2x plus 5y is equal to 18. So let's call it equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. So look at the coefficient of x, which is 3 and 2 here, and the coefficient of y is 2 and 5. So what we have to eliminate? Let's eliminate x this time. Okay, so the what is the coefficient of x? 3 and 2. So we'll multiply by here 2 with the first equation and 3 with the second equation. So if you multiply the first full equation by 2, then what we will get? 3 into 2 6x plus 2 into 2 4y is equal to 16 into 2, which is 32. Then if you multiply by second equation by 3, we'll get 3 into 2 6x plus 5 into 3 15y is equal to 18 into 3, which is nothing but 54. Now what is the next step? So if we directly add up, then this 6x won't be eliminated, correct? So in this case, to eliminate this 6x, we have to change the sign of the second equation. So we'll change the sign of the second equation. So this is minus because it was plus, this is plus, so it will become minus, this is also plus, so it will become minus. Okay, so to eliminate, if the same terms are there with the same sign, then we have to change the sign. So now 6x minus 6x will get cancelled, 4y minus 15y. Okay, new sign we have to consider. So 4y minus 15y, which is nothing but minus 11y, is equal to 32 minus 54. Okay, 32 minus 54, if you do, we'll get minus 22, sign of the greater number. So y is equal to minus 22 upon minus 11. So if we cancel out minus 22 upon minus 11, so minus minus will get cancelled, we will get 11 2s are 22, so y is equal to 2. Now we have to substitute the value of y in one of them equation. So let's put in the equation number 1. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 16. So if we put y is equal to 2, so 3x plus 2 into 2, which is 4, is equal to 16. So we'll get 3x is equal to 16. If we take this 4 that side, become minus 4. So 3x is equal to 16 minus 4, which is nothing but 12. So x is equal to 12 upon 3, that is 4. So the solution of this linear equation is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Look at the next question. So again, we have two equations. We have to solve by using elimination. So 5x minus 4y is equal to 14. and the second is 3x plus 6y is equal to 12. So let's call it, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So let's eliminate x also this time. So what are the coefficient of x? 5 and 3. So we have to multiply 3 and 5. So multiply the first full equation by 3. So what will get? 5 into 3 15x minus 3 into 4 12y is equal to 14 into 3 42. Then second equation if we multiply by 5, so 5 into 3 5x plus 6 into 5 30y is equal to 12 into 5 60. Okay. Then now we have multiplied the coefficient of x, so now the coefficients are equal. Okay, here 15. So we have to eliminate this coefficient of x, means we have to eliminate this x variable, but the sign is same. So what we have to do, we have to change the sign of the second equation. So this is plus, so it become minus, plus here also plus, so it become minus. This now 60 is also plus, so it become minus. So we will solve this. 15x minus 15x will get cancelled, minus 12y minus 30y, let it become minus 42y is equal to 42 minus 60. So if we do 42 minus 60, we'll get in the negative answer minus 18. So we'll get y is equal to minus 18 upon minus 42. Okay. So if we solve this, y is equal to minus minus will get cancelled. So if we cancel out by 2, so 9 2s are 18 and 21 2s are 42. So y value is 9 upon 21. Okay. So if we substitute the value of y in one of them equation, so let's put in the equation number 1. So 5x minus 4, instead of y we have to put 9 upon 21 is equal to 14 as it is. Okay. So 5x minus, if you multiply 4 into 9, 36 upon 21 is equal to 14. So if we take this number, this is a rational number, minus 36 by 21. If we take that side, we'll get 5x is equal to 14 plus 36 by 21. Okay. So 5x is equal to, we have to do the cross multiplication. So 14 multiplied by 21, which is nothing but, if you multiply 21 or into 14, we'll get 294 plus 36 all divided by 21. Okay. So if you add 294 plus 36, you will get 330 upon 21, and this side we have 5x. Okay. So we want x only, so this 5 will go in the denominator. So x is equal to 330 divided by 21 is there, extra 5 will come. Okay. So we'll get 330 divided by 21 into 5. So if we divide, if we cancel out to 5 and 330, we'll get 5 6 are 30 and 3 remainder, so again 5 6 are 30, so 66 upon 21. Okay. That means x is nothing but, the value is 66 by 21. You can cancel out by 3 also, okay, but we will take as it is. So x is 66 by 21 and y is 9 by 21. Okay. Look at the next. So now the equations are not given proper. We have to solve this equation and then we have to use elimination. So it is given x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to negative 1. So we'll do the cross multiplication first. So 3 into x, which is 3x, plus 2 into 2y, which is 4y, all divided by 2 into 3, which is 6, is equal to minus 1. Then if we take this 6 here in multiplication, so we'll get 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Similarly, in the second equation, if we do the multiplication, 3 into x, which is 3x, minus y all divided by 3 is equal to 3 as it is. Then if we take this 3 into multiplication, we will get 3x minus y is equal to 3 into 3, which is 9. So this is first equation and this is second equation. Okay. So you can see that in both the equation, if you write like this, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6, and the second equation 3x minus y is equal to 9. So in both the equation 3x is same. So we can eliminate the variable x, but both are positive, so you have to change the sign. Okay, so this become minus, this is minus already, so it become plus. Here it is 9 is plus, so it become minus. So 3x minus 3x will get cancelled, plus 4y plus y, which is plus 5y, minus 6 minus 9, which is nothing but minus 15. So y is equal to minus 15 by 5. So y is equal to, we'll get minus 3. So if you put the value of y in one of them equation, so let's put in the second equation. So 3x minus y is nothing but minus 3 is equal to 9. So 3x minus minus plus 3 is equal to 9. So 3x, if we take this 3 that side, it become 9 minus 3. So we'll get 3x is equal to 6. So x value is nothing but 6 by 3, which is nothing but 2. Okay. So the solution for this pair of linear equation is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to negative 3. Okay. So this is all about the elimination method. If you like this video, then share with your friend and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.